Dry skin? No problem. Let's make a hand moisturizer cream. Measure 3 grams of carbamide. Add 17 grams of diluted boric acid. The glass will get cold while carbamide is dissolving. Mix the glass vigorously until everything is dissolved. Just like this. Time to measure some almond oil. I use a bowl and a syringe because things can get messy. It also helps me be more precise. You should measure 10 grams of almond oil. I measured 9 because I'm an effing idiot. So much about being precise. Time for the good stuff. Measure 20 grams of your ambiphilic base. If you add a bit more, like I did, just scrape the excess off. Add the almond oil to your base. Whip it out and start mixing. Mix it until it's uniformed and it looks like this. Time to add your carbamide solution. Make sure you mix vigorously. Make sure you add the solution in portions. That way, you mix everything in a lot easier. Smooth as silk. There you have it. Your own pharmaceutical hand moisturizer. It's cheap to make, and it will come in handy during this cold winter. If you found any value in this, click share and subscribe.